Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to speak English fluently in just 21 days? You are afraid to speak English? Do you forget words while speaking? Do you feel shy or nervous when talking in English? Don't worry, in this video, I will share a 21-day English speaking plan with easy and practical methods. This lesson will help you improve fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary, confidence. This plan is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers. Anyone who wants to speak English confidently, if you follow this plan for 21 days seriously, you will see a big improvement in your English speaking. So let's start. Rules for 21 days. Before starting, follow these rules. 1. Speak English every day, at least 30 minutes. 2. Don't be afraid of mistakes. 3. Think in English, not in your native language. 4. Practice aloud, not silently. 5. Be consistent for 21 days. English has become one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is the language of education, business, science, and international communication. Many people wish to speak English fluently, but they feel nervous and lack confidence because of weak vocabulary, poor pronunciation, and fear of making mistakes. However, mastering English speaking in just 21 days is possible if a learner follows a proper plan with dedication and daily practice. The first and most important step to improve English speaking is consistency. A learner must practice English every day for at least 30 minutes. Speaking regularly helps develop the habit of thinking in English instead of translating from the mother tongue. Simple daily sentences such as I am brushing my teeth, I am going to school, or I am studying English help the learner become comfortable with the language. Even if mistakes are made, they should not feel ashamed because mistakes are a natural part of learning. The second step is to build vocabulary and sentence structure. Learning 10 new words every day can make a big difference in a short time. These words should be used in sentences so that they become part of daily speech. For example, words like confident, practice, improve, and successful can be used in simple sentences such as I want to improve my English or practice makes me confident. Along with vocabulary, learners should practice basic grammar patterns like I like to, I want to, and I am learning. These patterns make speaking easier and more natural. Pronunciation and listening skills are also very important in mastering English speaking. Listening to English conversations, songs, and videos helps learners understand how words are spoken correctly. Repeating sentences aloud improves pronunciation and fluency. Reading short stories or paragraphs aloud every day also helps the tongue and mouth get used to English sounds. This process slowly removes hesitation and improves clarity of speech. Confidence plays a key role in speaking English fluently. Many learners know English words and grammar but feel shy to speak in front of others. To overcome this fear, learners can practice speaking in front of a mirror or record their voice on a phone. They can talk about their daily routine, their hobbies, or their plans for the future. Practicing small conversations such as introducing oneself, asking for directions, or ordering food helps prepare for real life situations. During the last part of the 21-day plan, Learners should focus on free speaking and advanced practice. They can talk about topics such as their dreams, education, family, or favorite places. Watching news or short English videos and then explaining them in their own words improves both understanding and speaking ability. Learners should also try to communicate with friends or online partners in English to gain real conversational experience. In addition, motivation and patience are very important in this journey. Learning a language takes time and effort. Some days may feel difficult, but learners should not give up. They should remember that every day of practice brings improvement. A positive attitude and strong determination make the learning process enjoyable and successful. Mastering English speaking in just 21 days is not magic, but it is possible with proper planning and sincere effort. Daily practice, vocabulary building, pronunciation improvements, and confidence development are the main keys to success. English is not a difficult language if learned step by step. With discipline, courage, and regular practice, anyone can become a confident English speaker. The most important step is to start today and continue without stopping. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe my channel.